Are you in the market for a new bike hubs, but not sure where to start? Look no further, because this video offers valuable insights into the best bike hubs on the market. After extensive research, we compiled a list of recommended products from trusted brands, so you can make an informed choice. To access details about the price and more, refer to my description. Let's proceed with the video promptly. Number 1. Partool DH1 Dummy Hub for cleaning and transporting bikes. Are you tired of struggling to clean your bike chain? Introducing the Partool DH1 Dummy Hub, an ingenious tool designed to make bike maintenance and transportation a breeze. Its unique feature of being a sleeping hub allows it to be easily inserted into rear dropouts, effectively replacing the rear wheel. This makes it incredibly convenient for chain cleaning and transporting your bike, as it eliminates the need to have the rear wheel attached. One of the standout features of the DH1 is its compatibility with all derailleur and 1/8 chain, making it a versatile tool that can be used with a wide range of bikes. Additionally, it is also compatible with open dropout and through axle frames up to 12 mm, making it even more versatile. The DH1 enables the bike to be shifted with ease, and its simple design ensures that it is easy to use. Overall, the Partool DH1 Dummy Hub is a must-have tool for anyone who wants to simplify their bike maintenance and transportation, making it a great investment for both amateur and professional cyclists alike. Get yours today and enjoy hassle-free bike maintenance and transportation. Number 2. Siski Quick Release Skewer Front Rear Bicycle Axle Wheel Hub. Are you an avid cyclist looking for an efficient way to maintain your bike on the go? Introducing the Siski Bike Axle Quick Release Skewer, the perfect solution for hassle-free bike repairs. Traditional skewers can be time-consuming and frustrating to use, but with the Siski Bike Axle Quick Release Skewer, repairs are quick and easy. Its standout feature is the quick release lever, making repairs convenient and effortless. This set includes 2 sizes, perfect for both front and rear wheels. The front wheel skewer has a short release lever with a hollow shaft size of 10.8 cm 4.25 and a quick release of 16 cm 6.3. The rear wheel skewer has a long release lever with a hollow shaft size of 14.5 cm 5.7 and a quick release of 19 cm 7.48. The durable design ensures longevity, making it an excellent investment for serious cyclists. Overall, the Siski Bike Axle Quick Release Skewer is a must-have for any cycling enthusiast who values convenience and practicality. Get yours now and experience worry-free cycling. Number 3. Dio NSP 1986 Bicycle Front Hub. Are you a serious cyclist looking to improve your bike's performance and ride quality? Look no further than the Dio NSP 1986 Bicycle Front Hub. This high-quality front hub is made of durable aluminum alloy and has 36 holes with a width of 100 mm. Its threaded design with 3/8 makes it compatible with both rotary disc brake rotor and ball bearing. Installing the Dio NSP 1986 Bicycle Front Hub on your bike will ensure a safe and smooth ride, providing stability and control while cycling. Its high-quality material and secure design make it a long-lasting investment for your bike. Whether you are commuting to work or hitting the trails, this front hub is an essential component for anyone looking to improve their bike's performance and ride quality. Invest in the Dio NSP 1986 Bicycle Front Hub and ride with confidence and ease. Number 4. Diryu Road Mountain Bicycle MTB Wheel Hub Skewers. Are you in the market for a reliable and visually appealing set of wheel hub skewers for your bike? Look no further than the Diryu Road Mountain Bicycle MTB Wheel Hub Skewers. These skewers offer a combination of steel and aluminum alloy construction, making them both durable and reliable. The smooth cam action lever allows for easy use, while the attractive 5-micron finish in a range of colors adds a stylish touch to your bike. The CNC machined alloy hub nut with a large flange provides additional stability, ensuring your wheels stay secure during even the most intense rides. And the best part? These skewers are easy to install and work seamlessly on 6, 7, and 8-speed road bikes. So whether you are hitting the trails or cruising around town, the Diryu Road Mountain Bicycle MTB Wheel Hub Skewers are a great choice for anyone looking for reliable and visually appealing wheel hub skewers. Number 5. Viren MTB Bike Hubs. Looking for a reliable and enjoyable riding experience? Look no further than the Viren MTB Bike Hubs. Made of high-quality aluminum alloy that is resistant to rust and corrosion, these hubs are built to last. Precision machined NBK bearings provide a smooth and quiet ride, while strong sealing effectively isolates dirt and mud. The stable and durable CNC Precision Technology disc brake is compatible with Shimano HG standard 8 to 12-speed cassette. And with the included quick release levers, installation and removal of the hubs is easy. Overall, the Viren MTB Bike Hubs offer the perfect combination of durability, reliability, and a smooth ride for any mountain biker. It's all from my end. I make helpful videos every day, so subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you need more information or want to find out the price of the product, see my description. If there are any problems, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.